Want to make money online but don't know where to start? In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of digital products that can help you make money online. From ebooks to online courses, we'll explore the top 12 profitable options that anyone can create and sell. Get ready to discover innovative ideas that not only spark your creativity, but also boost your income. Stay tuned as we guide you through each product and share for success. Ebooks. First up, let's talk about ebooks. Creating and selling ebooks can be a highly lucrative venture in the digital marketplace. With platforms like Amazon Kindle, self-publishing has never been easier, allowing you to reach a global audience. Once your ebook is out there, it can generate passive income as readers continue to purchase it over time. Consider exploring niche topics that resonate with specific audiences to maximize your sales potential and stand out in the crowded market. To create a standout ebook, consider adding visuals like charts, tables, or images that support your content. Visuals break up the text and make information more digestible. Also, think about including a resources section at the end with links, tools, or recommended readings that can help readers take the next steps. Adding a professional-looking cover is key, as an appealing design can boost sales. Online courses. Next, we have online courses, which are a great way to monetize your expertise and teach others a new skill. Creating and selling online courses offers numerous benefits, especially with platforms like Udemy and Teachable simplifying the process. There's a growing demand for skill-based learning across various fields, making this an opportune time to share your knowledge. By leveraging your expertise, you can create valuable content that not only educates others, but also generates income. Join the online education revolution and turn your skills into a profitable course. Besides recording video lessons, consider including downloadable materials like PDFs, quizzes, or templates that add interactivity and help reinforce learning. Creating a community, such as a private Facebook group or forum, can also add value by giving students a space to ask questions and engage with others. Consider offering a live Kwanda session or additional resources for advanced learners to increase course completion rates. Stock photos. Selling stock photos is an excellent way for photographers to monetize their work in the digital age. Platforms like Shutterstock allow you to upload and sell your images to a vast audience, tapping into the growing need for high-quality visuals in digital marketing. To maximize your success, consider building a diverse portfolio that showcases various styles and subjects. This approach will attract more buyers and increase your earning potential. To make your stock photo portfolio more attractive, add a mix of unique and niche-specific photos that cater to specialized markets. Many buyers look for images that reflect diversity, authenticity, and real-life situations, so consider capturing relatable moments. Offering exclusive collections or bundles can also help you stand out, as buyers often look for cohesive sets that they can use across multiple projects. Printables. The market for digital printables is booming, offering endless opportunities for creative entrepreneurs. Popular types include planners, worksheets, and art prints, which cater to various needs. Platforms like Etsy provide an ideal space to showcase and sell your printables to a wide audience. To stand out, focus on your creativity and target specific niches, ensuring your products resonate with potential buyers and meet their unique preferences. Personalization is a major trend in the printables market. Consider offering customization options so customers can add names, dates, or other personal details to their printables. You could also bundle similar products to increase value, for example, selling a set of planners with matching motivational quotes. Eye-catching previews on your product listings can make a big difference by showing customers exactly what they're getting. Membership sites. Membership sites are another option, where customers pay a monthly fee to access exclusive content or services. Creating a membership site can be a fantastic way to generate recurring revenue while building a loyal community. By providing exclusive content, such as tutorials, resources, or behind-the-scenes access, you can keep members engaged and coming back for more. Platforms like Patreon make it easy to connect with your audience and manage subscriptions. To succeed, focus on identifying your audience's needs and tailoring your offerings to meet those demands. A strong membership site thrives on regular, fresh content. Consider creating a monthly content calendar with exclusive tutorials, downloadable guides, or live events to keep members engaged. Engaging with members directly through live Kwanda sessions, polls, or feedback surveys shows them you care about their experience. An onboarding series for new members can also improve retention by helping them understand all the site has to offer. Digital art and graphics. Selling digital art and graphic designs presents a lucrative opportunity for creative individuals. Platforms like Creative Market allow artists to showcase and sell their unique designs to a broad audience. With the increasing demand for distinctive graphics in branding and marketing, there's never been a better time to dive in. Don't hesitate to showcase your artistic skills online and turn your passion into a profitable venture. One way to boost sales of digital art is to offer files in various formats such as PNG, JPG, and SVG to meet different customer needs. Describing how your art can be used, like for web design, social media, or print, can also attract a broader audience. Consider sharing mock-ups to show how your designs would look in real-life applications, such as framed in a room or on a t-shirt. Software and apps. Then there are software products which can be incredibly lucrative if you have the right idea and can execute it well. Developing and selling software or apps is a fantastic way to tap into the digital marketplace. By focusing on solving specific problems, you can create valuable tools that meet users' needs. Platforms like the Apple App Store provide a robust distribution channel to reach a wide audience. To succeed, encourage viewers to identify gaps in the market where innovative solutions can make a real difference and drive demand. When developing software or apps, start small with an MVP, or minimum viable product, to test your idea before adding complex features. Gathering user feedback early allows you to refine your product based on real-world needs, improving user experience. Partnering with early adopters to spread the word can also drive growth. Showing how the app solves a specific problem can make it more appealing in a crowded market. Affiliate marketing. Earning money through affiliate marketing involves promoting products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. This model allows you to monetize your online presence without creating your own products. Platforms like Amazon Associates offer a wide range of affiliate opportunities, making it easy to get started. To maximize your success, encourage viewers to build a niche audience, as targeted marketing leads to higher conversion rates. Building a niche-specific website or blog focused on product reviews, tutorials, and how-to guides can make your affiliate marketing more effective. Targeting a specific audience with content tailored to their interests increases credibility and boosts conversions. Remember to disclose affiliate links transparently, as building trust with your audience is crucial for long-term success. Use SEO keywords to improve search visibility and attract organic traffic. Webinars. Hosting webinars presents a fantastic opportunity to share valuable information and engage with your audience in real time. These interactive sessions can cover a range of topics, providing insights and solutions to attendees. Platforms like Zoom make it easy to host and manage your webinars seamlessly. To ensure success, encourage viewers to market their webinars effectively, utilizing social media and email campaigns to attract participants and maximize attendance. Webinars can be enhanced by including downloadable handouts such as cheat sheets or templates that attendees can use afterward. Hosting a Quanda segment toward the end allows you to address specific questions, creating a more engaging experience. Consider recording and repurposing the webinar as part of an on-demand course or as a lead magnet to attract new followers. Effective follow-up emails after the session help you nurture relationships with attendees. Audio products. Selling audio products such as podcasts or music is becoming increasingly popular in today's digital landscape. Podcasts in particular have gained immense traction as a preferred medium for storytelling and information sharing. Platforms like Spotify provide excellent distribution channels to reach a wide audience. Encourage viewers to create engaging audio content that resonates with listeners, as this can lead to loyal followings and potential monetization opportunities. With audio products like podcasts, consider breaking episodes into series or themes to give listeners something to look forward to each week. Adding show notes or transcripts can also make content more accessible and improve searchability. If you create music, explore licensing options for commercial use, which allows other creators to use your work legally, generating additional revenue streams. Today we explored the top 12 digital products you can create to make money online, including ebooks, online courses, and stock photos. Key takeaways include the importance of identifying your niche and leveraging platforms for distribution. We encourage you to take action by exploring these opportunities and starting your journey. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Which digital product are you most interested in, and what's holding you back from getting started? Don't forget to check out my next video for more tips on generating income online. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe, like, and share the video for more valuable insights.